Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back to this back. I'm back here. Hey. Well, I have this 2007 Toyota Camry. Alright, and guess what we're gonna do today? I'm gonna replace the radiator. And why? It looks like the radiator is leaking on top, right where the radiator cap goes. Right under that is leaking, and it's creating steam when you drive. When I drive, so yeah, that's why I'm gonna replace the radiator in this 2007 Toyota Camry. So come with me. Alright, let's do this job. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and destroy the subscribe button. Hit it, bang it, and do the same with the like button. If you're watching this video, it's because you know you're interested, and if you're interested, then hit the like button and subscribe. Alright, since you down there, know what I'm saying, watching this video, don't forget to share it. Maybe you know someone that has a Toyota Camry. So the procedure is the same. Alright, same steps and all that. It's same basics, know what I'm saying? Alright, so yeah, and the feedback, anything you need to say, any comments. Maybe you have a better way to replace the alternator. The radiator, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, just share it, put it in the comment box for me, alright? And everybody's gonna thank you for that, alright? It's all about sharing knowledge. So come with me, alright? I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Let's do this radiator. Okay. I don't know what I was saying. Yeah, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and feedback put in the comment box for me. You know, same old. And please always wear your safety goggles, safety glasses, whatever you want to call it. You know, protect your eyes all the time while you work on cars or anything that is not safe. Know what I'm saying, you never know what can happen. Know what I'm saying, you only have two eyes, alright? So yeah, protect that. Alright, I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Like I said, come with me. Let's do this radiator. Okay, I hope you like it, enjoy, and I see you after the replacement, so I can give you a rundown of what I did. Alright, hola boy, Axtuo por un hey. fan. Yep, pretty much. You're gonna have to remove the fan. You're gonna have to remove the intake. What else? Then the condenser is attached to the radiator. There's 2 bolts on top and 2 bolts on the bottom. If it's too difficult to reach the bolts that hold the condenser to the radiator from the bottom, try to do it through the grill, like I just show you in this video. Alright? Yeah, that will make it easier for you to reach. Other than that, I remove the hoses, the transmission lines, I'm saying. And if you don't want to waste transmission fluid, as soon as you remove the hoses at the bottom, try to plug them with some type of bolt. I have some plastics that I came with an old radiator, so I use that so I don't waste or I don't lose transmission fluid. The fan has like 2 connectors and like 3 clips. Okay, as you can see in the video, it's easy to disconnect those connectors that go to the fan. The fan has like 3 clips on top. Try to squeeze them to release the fan from the radiator, and that's pretty much it. So when you install everything back, when you put everything back, be careful with the fan. Okay, as soon as you start the vehicle and you try to check for any leaks and all that, just be careful with your hands. Okay, when you put them around the fan, because you never know when the fan is going to start like spinning or working, whatever. So yeah, you don't want to lose your fingers, you don't want to get cut or whatever, you don't want to get damaged. Know what I'm saying? So look for that. Just be careful, and always wear your safety glasses, safety goggles, whatever you want to call it. Put them on. Okay, and that's it. Yeah, after I put everything back, I started I put everything back. You know, the installment is like this, like the procedure goes in reverse. You know what I'm saying? And that's pretty much it. Did I say that I put like a gallon and 10 ounces of pink coolant? I think I did. Well, yeah, yep, I did that. Right now the car is running. Trying to figure out if I need to put more coolant. Put some coolant in the coolant reservoir also. And that's it. Yeah, I'm gonna let it run for a minute and see if it needs more coolant. Alright. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy. And it was helpful for your project to succeed. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Before I go, I just wanna let you know, please subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna say it again, subscribe to the channel. Alright, 90% of the people that watch these videos, like you right now, haven't subscribed to my channel. Why? Just hit the subscribe button, man. Destroy that subscribe button. Destroy it, hit it, bang it. Know what I'm saying? Do your thing, because I know you're watching. You here watching me now, right? So that means you like this video, or you need to get this radiator replaced. Know what I'm saying? So yeah, do that, please. Do that for me. Alright, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget, do the same with the like button and the feedback. You know what I'm saying? If I did anything wrong, you know, just let me know in the comment box. Put in the comment box any ideas how to do it faster or better. You know what I'm saying? Just put it in the comment box for me. Alright, and like I said, I'm not gonna hold you up no more. I'm just gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. Holla at your boy, Axtuo, Buru. Hey!